Hello, friends! Right now, we are going to show you 5 best bamboo kitchen drawer organizer. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included a link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range.
Number 5. Royal Craft Wood Luxury Bamboo Kitchen Drawer Organizer, Silverware Organizer, Utensil Holder, and Cutlery Tray Drawer Dividers for flatware. Specific uses for product: utensils. Material: bamboo wood. Special feature: adjustable, expandable. Color: natural. Brand: Royal Craft Wood. Finish type: varnished. Product dimensions: 17D by 13W by 1.9H. Shape: rectangular. Capacity: 419.9 cubic inches. Customer package type: FFP. Please measure your drawers prior to purchase, as our organizers are large in size. Expandable to fit most standard kitchen drawers. Our deep bamboo drawer organizer is ideal for saving kitchen storage space thanks to its adjustable storage drawers that expand from 17 by 13 to 17 by 19.6 wide with 1.9 deep slots. Easy to use and ideal for helping to maximize kitchen storage space. Simply pull apart from the sides for additional storage space and a more secure fit for wider drawers. Different sized compartments allow for standard silverware and large utensil placement. Keep your kitchen drawers organized. Say goodbye to having multiple messy junk drawers and always having to dig deep for any needed kitchen tools. Rather than trying to find your one corkscrew among a pile of silverware and other odds and ends, keep everything neat and tidy with the help of our flatware organizer for kitchen use, giving every item a permanent home for easy locating. Number 4. Pipishell Bamboo Silverware Organizer, Expandable Cutlery Tray, Utensil Drawer Organizer in Kitchen for spoons, forks, knives, multi-purpose use, natural, large. Specific: uses for product: utensils. Material: bamboo wood. Special feature: expandable, adjustable, waterproof. Color: natural. Brand: Pipishell. Finish type: polished. Multi-purpose use: this drawer organizer can be used to store small items such as cutlery, jewelry, stationery, and tools. It can be used in kitchen, living room, bedroom, and utility room, etc. It is suitable for application of multiple items in multiple occasions. Expandable and adjustable utensil organizer. Designed with 6 to 8 compartments, the silverware organizer can save space while accommodating multiple items, which is expandable from 13 inches to 19.6 inches wide with smooth sliding. Perfect premium bamboo. Bamboo cutlery tray looks tidy and elegant. Unlike other manufacturers, our bamboo utensil holder organizers are harvested at full maturity to increase strength. For you, that means this Pipishell organizer might just last longer than your drawer. Number 3. Expandable Bamboo Kitchen Drawer Organizer for cutlery and utensils, adjustable bamboo wood cutlery tray and drawer for flatware and silverware in kitchen. Visit the Oradom store. Specific uses for product: utensils. Material: bamboo. Special feature: adjustable, durable, expandable. Color: natural. Brand: Oradom. Finish type: polished. Product dimensions: 13.98D by 10.04W by 1.97H. Shape: rectangular. Capacity: 10 kilograms. Start your kitchen organization. The 10.04 to 15.5 point wide, 13.98 long, and 1.97 deep bamboo drawer organizer can tame your out-of-control kitchen drawers to store and organize the cutlery and kitchen utensils according to your rules and maximize the drawer storage. Keep everything accessible and organized so that you don't have to rifle around for your cooking tools. Beautiful and practical kitchen drawer organizer turns the cooking and tasting into things of beauty and efficiency. Bring aesthetics into your kitchen. This drawer organizer, crafted with premium natural bamboo, featuring the elegant texture and warm tone, can blend in with most drawer interior and room decor. Besides smooth surface and lines, curved design of slot walls brings a flexible sense of order for convenient access to tools. Versatile decorative organizer for kitchen countertop or drawers in bathroom, bedroom, living room, and even home office to store makeup, jewelry, office stationery, etc. Number 2. Royal Craft Wood Luxury Bamboo Utensil Rack and Silverware Organizer. Kitchen drawer organizer, utensil holder, and cutlery tray with grooved drawer dividers for flatware, 7-slot, natural. Specific uses for product: silverware, utensils. Material: bamboo wood. Special: feature: compact. Color: natural. Brand: Royal Craft Wood. Finish type: varnished. Product dimensions: 16.3D by 12.3W by 1.9H. Shape: rectangular. Capacity: 2 liters. Our bamboo silverware drawer organizer is backed with a 100% money-back guarantee. Luxury bamboo utensil rack. This bamboo drawer organizer is exactly what you've needed to help get your kitchen in tip-top shape. It may become easy to fall into the habit of tossing small items into the nearest drawer, creating the dreaded junk drawer or kitchen utensil drawer with piles of mixed tools. Measuring 16.3 inches by 12.3 inches, with 7 convenient 1.9-inch deep slots, conveniently organize and store your kitchen cutlery and rearrange flatware for a tidy, clean look. Designed with your needs in mind, perfectly crafted to organize your kitchen silverware and dinner flatware sets, the utensil holder helps separate your spoons, knives, forks, and more, making setting the table a breeze. Number 1. Royal Craft Wood 5-piece bamboo drawer organizer set. Multi-use storage trays for kitchen, bathroom, office, makeup, jewelry, and more. Junk drawer tray, utensil holder, storage box, and bin set. Color: natural. Material: bamboo. Brand: Royal Craft Wood. Finish type: varnished. Unit count: 5.0 count. 5-piece bamboo storage drawer organizer set. An ideal deep drawer organizer for everyday use, these storage boxes are both beautiful and functional, making them the perfect complement to your home decor. RCW delivers quality organizers and storage bins, so choose our bamboo storage box set of 5, perfect for home, kitchen, bathroom, office, drawer, art supplies, and crafts organization. Easy to place into and remove from any drawer, the boxes may also be used for countertop essentials organization. Assorted sizes to fit even small drawers. Our small drawer organizer box set is thoughtfully designed to create a completely customized storage solution for drawers of any size. With 5 varying sizes to choose from, offering the perfect fit for all small item and accessory sorting: 9.8 by 4.5, 10.5 by 4.7, 10.5 by 4.5, 9.2 by 3.15, and 5.7 by 3.15. Individual boxes work together or separately, providing opportunities for use in a single or multiple drawers or desktops. Make the most of your space. Multi-use storage boxes set. Declutter your home, office, desk, closet, bathroom, kitchen, and more with our wooden boxes. The perfect makeup organizer, jewelry organizer, bathroom and vanity organizer.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.